Have you heard of the 1931 Great Mississippi Flood? Overshadowed by the 1927 disaster, this flood was no less significant. It struck the Mississippi Delta, causing widespread destruction and hardship. The relentless rains of early 1931 led to severe flooding across the region. Towns and farmlands were submerged, displacing thousands and devastating local economies. In some areas, the floodwaters reached depths of over 15 feet. This event underscored the need for improved flood management and infrastructure, prompting further levee construction and flood control measures. The 1931 flood serves as a somber reminder of nature's power and the vulnerability of human settlements.